Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear files and cache on CapCut. So here I've already on my CapCut apps, and if you want to delete the files, you can actually just click on the edit here, and then this circle will show up and you can just choose the files that you want to delete. For example, these 3 videos, and then after that click on the trash icon at the bottom, and here there will be a pop-up question and you can just click on delete if you are sure to delete those files. And to clear cache, you need to go to the settings at the top right corner, click on this, and here just scroll down until you find the option to clear cache. Just click on that, and here don't worry that clearing cache won't delete your drive. So if you're sure, just click on OK, and now it's clearing. Just wait. So now the cache is 0. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.